Understanding Tough Cuts of Meat, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic that touches both language and culinary arts. Tough cuts of meat. This phrase might sound straightforward, but it carries specific meanings in cooking and English conversations. Let's explore together what makes some cuts of meat tough, and how this knowledge can enhance your English understanding and your cooking skills. Tough cuts of meat refer to parts of an animal that are more muscular and less tender than others. These cuts usually come from areas where the muscles work harder, like the legs, shoulders, and neck. Because these muscles are used frequently, they develop more connective tissues, making the meat tougher and often more flavorful. Understanding the difference between tough and tender cuts is crucial for two reasons. Firstly, it helps in kitchen and cooking scenarios, guiding you on how to cook each type of meat properly. Secondly, it enriches your English vocabulary and cultural knowledge, especially when discussing food and recipes. Tough cuts of meat are not just challenging, they are a culinary opportunity. The key to making them delicious lies in slow cooking methods like braising, stewing, or slow roasting. These methods break down the connective tissues over time, transforming tough cuts into tender, flavorful dishes. Phrases like low and slow capture this approach perfectly. Some popular tough cuts include beef brisket, pork shoulder, and lamb shank. Each of these has its unique flavor profile and preferred cooking methods. For instance, brisket is often slow-cooked or smoked, pork shoulder is perfect for pulled pork, and lamb shank is excellent for stews. We hope this video has shed light on the flavorful world of tough cuts of meat, and how they play a significant role in cooking and English language expressions. Whether you're in the kitchen experimenting with recipes or engaging in conversations about food, understanding these terms will surely enrich your experiences. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.